It was going to be all the northern states where it's actually feeling wintry and maybe some snow and things like that. But yeah, for us, certainly not feeling like December at this point. We're way above average, and we knew this whole week pretty much is going to be like that. We did get the cool down over the weekend. So Sunday was wintry. We stayed in the 50s, but boom, moved into the work week and we're back into the 70s. And our winds are now from the southeast. So that's part of what's been bringing in more moisture, helping that fog to form. And that's going to be something we're talking about pretty much every night and every morning. So not really the nicest setup for early commuting and things like that, but it does look like that'll be with us as we continue the warming trend this week ahead of rain and a cold front this weekend, which I'll show you in a second. Current temperatures, though, 60s to 70s, and our visibility finally a lot better for all of our locations, even reserved toward Gonzales, where it's still a little limited, but overall pretty good for driving around and getting on the roads without a lot of obscuring of the roadways with the clouds at the surface. Instead, we have the clouds farther up now, and we do have breaks in them, as we've been saying on our camera, some blue sky, some sunshine mixing in. We have high pressure just out to the northeast of us, and then if we look at our big map, we kind of have a little low pressure area here, high pressure here. Between these two, with the circulation, we've been getting an increase in moisture, those southeast winds, and even a little bit of light rain for some parts of Texas and Arkansas outside of our area. We're not really looking for that here, but we will be looking for sun mixed with clouds today. Warmer for sure as our highs get to about 75, and winds from the east southeast. And then this evening we drop through the 60s, and overnight tonight we'll bottom out with our temperatures north and south of the lake near 60 degrees. And so that's going to promote some fog formation, especially overnight toward dawn. So this is 10 p.m. doing fine, but watch what happens through the overnight. We start to see our visibilities dropping by 6 a.m. tomorrow. Our fogcast is showing about a half mile or less. Now, I will say this morning we did have some areas of fog, and our forecast was showing really not that bad visibilities. It was showing maybe 3-mile visibility or so, but we did see lower than that for some spots. So just keep in mind this may be a little bit lower for visibilities tomorrow morning for the commute than what our forecast is actually showing. And then this is by 10 a.m. we start to see things improving, and that will be the trend this week, because as our temperatures take off, they get farther from that dew point temperature, and that means we're not seeing the condensation at the surface anymore. So through the mornings and afternoons, we will certainly see things improving as far as the fog goes. Fog, really the only hazard through most of this week. Then we get into the weekend, and we do have some rain coming. Scattered showers is really what we're expecting. Maybe a little bit of storm activity, a couple of rumbles of thunder, a few flashes of lightning, but there's just not a lot of support, thankfully, it looks like, for severe weather, and maybe not even many thunderstorms with this next round of rain. Rain totals look like maybe up to an inch or so. The European model you can see is showing by late Sunday night. So this is that whole time until Sunday night, about an inch plus. The GFS has much less. Our other global model shows less than an inch. And just showing you quickly with our weekend forecast, Friday morning was quiet. Now we'll fast forward to Friday afternoon, a little bit of scattered shower activity. Here comes the front, and this is Saturday during the day. We'll have a few scattered showers. Looks like some slightly heavier rain may stay just off the coast, perhaps. And then models are differing with the timing right now, so I wouldn't get too into the exact specifics. But the idea is that by Sunday, we will have had the front probably move through, but there will be this lingering moisture setting up behind the front, which we sometimes get this time of year. So that'll just promote some scattered showers on Sunday, and it will be cooler by Sunday. And into Monday, we may actually still have enough moisture for some showers, but it looks like we will be clearing out. So that'll bring us some cooler weather for Monday, Tuesday, and into maybe the middle of next week ahead of Christmas. I don't know if we're going to warm up again or not, but kind of looking like that right now. We'll keep you updated, of course, as we get toward that next week. But here's your 7-day forecast. The warming trend, the morning fog, that's the main thing to watch for this week. And then we do have those showers moving in for the weekend.